Hello and welcome. Let's take some time together here down on the floor. This will be a short, gentle class, and we're just going to begin on our backs. So find a space where you can have a little bit of space around you and rest on your spine. So come on down in the easiest way possible. And once you're down, just take a few moments to hug your knees into your chest. Take a few little rocks from side to side. Feeling the spine resting. And take your right hand on your right knee, your left hand on your left knee, and just start to open up those knees and bring them back in, drawing a few circles with those knees. Gently, nice and easy here. And then we'll switch directions. Nice and gentle with the body. Good. And then we'll slowly release those feet down. Take your feet about as wide as your yoga mat or a little bit wider than your hips. Take your arms into a nice wide T position here and just slowly start to shift your knees over to the right. Come through center, shift your knees over to the left. Come through center, over to the right. Ease through center, over to the left. And this time as we come to the right, we'll just stay there for a few breaths. Continuing with this, or if you'd like, you can take your right ankle and just rest it on the outside of your left thigh or knee, just for a little added weight, and notice how that feels on your spine. Not overdoing it though, being really nice and gentle. Good, and then we'll come back to center. We'll switch sides, so allow your knees to fall over to the left, keeping those knees separated, or if you'd like, take your left foot and let it rest on the outside of your right thigh or knee. Good, and then nice and slowly, let's come back through to center. And again, hug your knees into your chest, giving your knees a good little squeeze. Few little rocks. Right hand on your right knee, left hand on your left knee. Allow your knees to drop open. And stay with this, or start to lengthen the legs, maybe holding on to the inside of your thighs there. Letting your chest relax, your upper back. Take a little bit of movement for your feet, maybe pointing and flexing. Again, the knees can be bent. Maybe drawing some circles with your ankles, rolling around through your feet. And then bending at your knees again, hug your knees into your chest, give them a good squeeze. And this time hold on to the backs of your thighs, and we'll just start to extend the legs up towards the ceiling. Knees can be as bent as you'd like. Holding on to the backs of your thighs here, just play around with your feet, pointing and flexing, maybe drawing a few circles, maybe use your toes. Just noticing how that feels with a sense of curiosity. So no judgment, no expectations, just noticing what's present. Good, and then from there, bend your left knee and plant your left foot down on the ground. Taking your right ankle and your left thigh, rotate your right hip open, and just take a few moments to give that leg a little bit of traction, opening it up and flex through that right foot. You may want to stay right there with that, or if you'd like, reach underneath your left thigh and just start to bring the leg in towards the body for thread the needle. Continuing to actively rotate your right hip open. Allow your chest and your upper back to release. A wonderful gift to give yourself this time at the end of the day or beginning of the day or middle of the day, whenever it is, just to tune into yourself. Good. And then we'll release that again. Hug your knees into your chest. Hold on to the backs of the thighs. The legs extend. Noticing how that feels. Maybe some movement through your feet. And then we'll bend our right knee. Plant your right foot down. Bend your left knee. Take your left ankle on your right thigh. And stay with that, or reach through for thread your needle, holding onto the back of that right thigh. We don't want to be straining or reaching our shoulders up to take that pose. So if we are, we know we've gone too far and we can plant that right foot back down. Give yourself some time here to notice how that feels in your body. Flex your left foot. Notice the gentle movement of your breath. Good, and then from there we'll release, hug both knees into the chest. And this time release your feet down, take your arms into a nice wide T position beside you. Shift your hips over to the left and allow your knees to drop over to the right. Allow your shoulders to release nice and heavy. And maybe turn your head towards the left. Come on back up through center. We'll take the other side. Shift your hips over to the right, knees drop to the left. Let that right shoulder fall really nice and heavy so your upper back is grounded down. And maybe turn your head to the right. Good. Coming back through the center, we'll take that twist one more time on each side. So knees drop to the right, hips shift to the left. You can keep your knees stacked, or you can cross your top knee over your bottom knee. Allow your shoulders to release nice and heavy. And again, maybe the head turns to the left. Ease your way back to center and shift to the other side. Hips shift to the right, knees drop to the left, and you can keep your knees stacked, or if you'd like, cross your top knee over your bottom knee. Heaviness in the upper back. Feeling the breath moving through the whole body. Come on back up through to center and just take a moment to rest your body. So if you'd like, you can extend the legs long in a corpse pose, legs extended, arms extended, eyes closed. Or find any other comfortable resting position that feels good in your body. Feel free to pad yourself up with soft blankets or pillows. Take a moment to just allow the weight of your body to release nice and heavy. Muscles of the face melt down towards the floor. The eyes are soft. And then nice and slowly start to wiggle your fingers and your toes. Take a nice exaggerated breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. Rolling yourself over to one side using your arm as a pillow. Curl yourself into a nice little ball. And gently bring yourself up to a nice, comfortable seated position, and we will end our practice together today. So either sitting cross-legged or with your legs extended, however you feel most comfortable. Hands can be beside you or on your body, perhaps one hand to heart, one hand to belly. And in a moment of appreciation, allow your head to bow and your eyes to close. And thank yourself for taking the time to practice today. And I thank you for sharing your practice with me. Stay well.